Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning the feature on in Settings. Open Settings, go to Smart Services or Smart Panel, and toggle Floating Window or Multi-Window. Once done, make sure you grant the app permission to display over other apps when the system prompt appears. This step lets windows float above other screens. You're not changing anything else, just enabling capability and permission so apps can later open as movable mini windows. Now you take the app you want to run in a mini window. Open that app, then swipe up from the bottom or press Recent Apps to show the app list. Once visible, tap the app's top icon or the three-dot menu and choose Open in Floating Window. The system converts the full-screen app into a movable, resizable window. You can drag the title bar to reposition and use the corner to resize so it stays unobtrusive while you multitask. Finish by arranging the floating window where you need it. Drag the top bar to move and the corner to resize. Use the close or maximize buttons to exit. If the floating option doesn't appear, go back to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Special Access, and enable display over other apps for the specific app, then retry. If a particular app prohibits floating, try a different app or restart the phone. That usually resolves permission or temporary UI glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.